Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm so excited to tell you that I have a prize, and it's from Peace, Love, Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. It's from Tammy, who sewed something for me. She and I did a collaboration a couple weeks ago, which was a challenge to make a dress and dress a Blythe doll like Alice in Wonderland with a little setup. And then we asked our viewers to judge us, and the highest score won. Somehow I won. Tammy's was so cute. We had so much fun, but I have to tell you, what I like best about doing the collab was that I got to know Tammy better, and that's just a wonderful thing. All the doll people in the doll community, I appreciate you all. It's just a lovely friendship. But Tammy sent me my prize, and I'm carefully opening. I know it didn't look like it. I took it to the light and I held it up to see where I could cut. Oh, Tammy, thank you. She did not just send one outfit. It looks like there's more than one. Let's open this. Where is the, here we go. Oh, and there's a little bag and a little beach. They just remind me of the beach. Oh, how cute. It says beach on this one. Look at that little bag. Oh, look at the little whale and the bow and the sea, beach, shore. Oh, and I wish you could see her craftsmanship. It is beautiful. I mean, attention to every detail. That is so cute. But wait, there's more. Oh, a little skirt. That looks like a little mermaid. Oh, how cute is that? Look at this top. Oh, with the matching mermaid. That kind of looks like tail too. Oh, that's adorable. We're going to put those on my dolls in just a minute. Hi, Marna. I experimented with some scraps and pattern hacks. I hope they fit your dolls okay. I'm looking forward to the next challenge. Ha ha, Tammy. Oh, and you can tell I like flamingos. I am in love with flamingos. This year there seems to be a lot of flamingos and everything, and I am loving it. Okay, let me dress my dolls and we'll be right back. Look how adorable these outfits are. I have to tell you, it really was coincidental that I had these two dolls standing here. I was only expecting one outfit. The truth is, I was showing off their new flamingo outfits, and I couldn't decide which outfit to put on which doll. So it worked out so well. Our next collaboration, well, actually there's a few collaborations coming up that I'm working on, two with Tammy Powley. One will also include J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Alexandra from 404 Creative, or is it Creative 404? And we have one cooked up that I think you all will enjoy. And then Tammy and I are going to be doing another fairy tale doll, our Disney princess. We're doing Merida in early May. I hope you'll come back by and take a look at those two. We've really had fun with it. It'll be the outfit and just a little picture, glimpse of the Disney princess. Thank you so much, Tammy. I love these outfits. And the rest of you are really lucky, and I know I'm going over to take a look too. There is a link in our description to Tammy's channel where she is making these outfits. I'm interested in seeing how she sewed the little handle on this bag. That is so cute. I love the little knots. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.